Stop using drain cleaner chemicals down your drain that don't even work anyways. We'll show you a better method.
Rapid Repair DIY.
So drain cleaning chemicals can be bad for the environment, your drain pipes, and your septic system. I know many of the labels say they are safe for pipes, but I have seen them cause problems, especially with old metal pipes. And it's not good for the environment. There is a better way. Now for kitchen drains, that's a different story. Kitchen drains may be bacon grease and fat and other clogged things in your drain. We're talking bathroom drains today. For bathroom drains, the main problem is a hair buildup. So you need a mechanical way to get the hair out of there. These drain cleaning products don't work good on hair at all. So for bathroom tubs, showers, and sinks, you need a mechanical way to pull the hair out. I have tested and found that these drain cleaning devices pull the hair right out of the drain and work wonderful. This is a 7-pack that I bought on Amazon for literally just $6. They're 20 inches long, much longer than the cheap, smaller ones you get at the home improvement stores. 7 in a pack for $7. So we weighed this amount of plastic in this empty jug. The jug is empty, it's just the plastic contents. And then we weighed one of the plastic drain cleaners. We've come up with the comparison that you can have 10 to 15 of these manufactured for every jug of chemical cleaner. Much better for the environment to switch to these all-purpose hair drain cleaners. Put them in your toolbox. You'll have them for years to come. Let's test them out. Okay, so you have your troubled slow drain. This is a tub shower combination. You may have to remove a drain stopper depending on your unique situation. If that's the case, you can pull right out or you can use pliers. I'm going to go ahead and remove this drain stopper just to have better access. Pop that right out. Now for your hair removing device, if you push straight down, you'll hit something hard. That's because on tubs you have an offset that the drain goes back a few inches. So you actually want to angle that to go to the back of the drain. That's how you'll get it in nice and deep. So you start feeding that in, and again, if you angle it towards the back, you will get it in nice and deep. And you want to keep going as far as you can until you get it in long enough and you don't feel too much resistance. So this is a 20-inch cleaning device. We have it now down past the drain trap, right into the drain trap. And then you start retrieving it backwards, and those sharp prongs will grab any kind of obstruction, namely the hair in the drains, and that will save you a plumbing call. Look at that. That is a little bit gross, but that's a lot of hair, and that's a saved plumbing call of hundreds of dollars. You can do the stuff yourself. You can also do it in your bathroom sink. So bathroom sinks and bathroom tub drains and shower drains are known for clogging up hair, so it works great in both of those. Then you start pulling out the gunk and the hair. All right, guys, look in the video description for your Amazon link. They are 7 drain cleaners for $7. Click on that link. I receive a small commission. It does support me and the channel so we can continue to grow. Hey, you can do this yourself.